Free AI tools are taking over right now, and most people are still not using them properly. In this video, I will show you powerful free AI tools that can save you time, boost your productivity, and even help you make money. If you are new here, I share content on tech, AI, and online tools that actually work. Let's get straight into it. First tool is ChatGPT. This tool can help you write content, generate ideas, solve problems, even help you code. Example, you can ask it to write YouTube scripts, school notes, or business plans in seconds. If you are not using this yet, you are behind. Next tool is Canva AI. This is perfect for graphic design, social media posts, presentations. You just type what you want and it designs it for you. Example, type YouTube thumbnail about AI tools and it generates designs instantly. Third tool is CapCut AI. This is powerful for video editing. It can auto-generate captions, remove background, edit videos quickly. If you create content, this saves hours of work. Next tool is Pictory AI. This tool turns text into videos. You paste a script and it creates a full video with visuals and voiceover. This is great if you want to start YouTube without showing your face. Have you heard of ElevenLabs? This one is for voice. ElevenLabs can generate realistic AI voices. You can create voiceovers, narrate videos, build content without recording your own voice. The voices sound very natural. Bonus tool is remove.bg. It removes image backgrounds instantly. Very useful for thumbnails and design work. These tools are free and powerful, but the real advantage comes when you actually use them. Start with one. Practice. Build something. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more. I will keep sharing tools that give you an edge. Comment AI and I will send you more tools to try.